In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on reverse wireless charging on your Moto Edge 40. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Most modern Moto devices have reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge other devices, even smartphones, by physically placing them at the back of your Moto smartphone. So as you can see in these examples, another phone is being charged, a smartwatch is being charged, and even a set of earbuds. As long as the device that you are using supports wireless charging, you will be able to get this done. So to enable this on your Moto Edge 40, what you have to do is go over to the settings. Inside of the settings, go into the battery category. So you have to go into settings and then choose battery. Now, the option that you are looking for is power sharing. So instead of looking for reverse wireless charging, they name it power sharing. So look for this instead. Once you go inside of the power and sharing options, you will be able to enable or disable it altogether. So you can toggle this on or off. Just make sure that the option is toggled on, and that's basically it. You are now good to go. If you physically place another device at the back of your Moto Edge 40 or any other model, it will begin draining the battery from the smartphone in order to charge that device. It is simple to use, and all that you have to do is toggle this on or off. There's no secret to use it. When your battery gets low, it might automatically stop power sharing in order to conserve a little bit of battery, so you can read the description here. And as long as this option is enabled, you will be good to go. Like I mentioned, it is going to be available for most modern Moto smartphones, such as the Edge 40, which is the focus of this video, but also the Edge 50 Pro, Edge 40 Neo, and so on. Just enable power sharing and you will be able to use it like this. You will get an introduction, so there will be a pop-up giving you instructions on how to better utilize this feature. Just make sure that you place it as close to the center as possible and let it sit there undisturbed. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on reverse wireless charging in Moto Edge 40. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.